Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start a Ford Explorer. First, ensure both vehicles are completely off and in park or neutral. Safety is paramount, so always wear protective gloves and eye protection. Position the donor vehicle close enough for the cables to reach, but do not let the vehicles touch. This initial setup is crucial for a safe and effective jump start. Double-check that all accessories are off in both vehicles to prevent electrical surges. Now, let's connect the jumper cables correctly. First, attach one red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the dead Explorer battery. Next, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the working donor battery. Then, take one black negative clamp and connect it to the negative terminal of the donor battery. This sequence helps prevent sparks and ensures a proper connection for the power transfer. For the final connection, attach the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on the engine block or chassis of the dead Ford Explorer, away from the battery. This provides a good ground. Now, start the donor vehicle and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes to charge the dead battery. After this charging period, try to start your Explorer. If it doesn't start immediately, wait a few more minutes before trying again. Once your Explorer starts, let it run for at least 20 minutes to recharge the battery. Disconnect the cables in the reverse order of connection. First, the black negative from your Explorer, then the black negative from the donor vehicle. Next, remove the red positive from the donor, and finally, the red positive from your Explorer. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. If your battery frequently dies, consider having it tested for potential replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.